Do you know the importance of vitamin D for your health? Often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining your overall well-being. It's a key player in ensuring calcium absorption, vital for strong and healthy bones, warding off conditions like osteoporosis. It's also a hero for your immune system, helping to combat infections and reduce the risk of autoimmune diseases. And let's not forget its role in mood regulation and cardiovascular health. But that's not all there is to vitamin D. There's more to this sunshine vitamin than you might think. You might be asking, how does vitamin D work in my body? Well, let's dive deeper into the benefits of this sunshine vitamin. Firstly, vitamin D is a powerhouse for muscle function. It helps maintain muscle mass and may even reduce the risk of falls and fractures, especially in older adults. But that's not all. Some research suggests vitamin D may have a protective effect against certain types of cancer, including colon, breast, and prostate cancers. It works to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote their death. Moving to cognitive function, vitamin D receptors are found throughout the brain, indicating its importance for mental sharpness. Adequate levels may reduce the risk of cognitive decline and improve overall brain health. For expectant mothers, vitamin D plays a pivotal role. Pregnant women with sufficient vitamin D levels have a lower risk of complications, such as preeclampsia and gestational diabetes. Plus, it's crucial for the development of the baby's bones and teeth. Vitamin D also moonlights as a sleep regulator. Some studies suggest that it may play a role in regulating sleep patterns, with adequate levels linked to improved sleep quality and reduced risk of sleep disorders. Last but not least, vitamin D is essential for skin health. It may help treat conditions like psoriasis and eczema and promote overall skin healing and repair. So you see, vitamin D is essential for more than just your bones. It's necessary for your overall well-being. Now that you understand the importance of vitamin D, you might be wondering how to ensure you're getting enough of it. Well, there are a few ways. Sunlight is a primary source of vitamin D. By spending just 15 to 20 minutes in the sun each day, your body can produce sufficient amounts. However, remember to protect your skin from excessive sun exposure. You can also increase your vitamin D levels through your diet. Foods like fatty fish, cheese, and egg yolks are rich in vitamin D, and if natural sources aren't enough, vitamin D supplements can be a valuable addition. They come in various forms, including tablets, capsules, and liquid drops, making it convenient for everyone. But before you make any significant changes to your vitamin D intake, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and health status. Remember, your health is your wealth. Make sure you're getting enough vitamin D to support your body and mind. Consult your healthcare professional today and take a step towards a healthier you.